Hello guys, welcome everybody to channel Sube. Today I am going to discuss question number 48 of 2020 Physics MCQ paper. 3 stars each of mass m are at the vertices of an equilateral triangle of side A as shown in the figure. Suppose these 3 stars rotate in a circular path about the centroid of the triangle while retaining the initial distances among the stars. If only the mutual gravitational forces are acting among the stars, the periodic time of the system is given by, so there are 5 answers. Now let us try to solve this problem. So we know the gravitational force is acting like this in between these 2 stars to each other's direction. So this one is gravitational force. So we can write the equation F gravitational force equals G m1 m2 both are mm divided by the distance squared a squared. So that is the gravitational force. So the same gravitational force acts this way also, from this star, from this one to this way. So for this star, now we can see 2 gravitational forces act in these directions. So this force is also equal to G m1 m2 divided by a square. So now we can find the centripetal force to this direction, to the centroid of the triangle. So this one is we say F dash, that is centripetal force. So that we know is equal to mv squared divided by, so this distance is r, mv squared divided by r. Now we can find the value for this centripetal force. It is given by these 2 gravitational forces. So we have to get the component to this side, this direction, to this direction. So 2 times f g cos theta cos 30, because that angle is 30, this angle is 30 degrees, since this total angle is 60, this half is 30. So 2fg cos 30 then equals to this value. Therefore we can write equals mv squared divided by r. So 2 times g mm means m squared divided by a squared, cos 30 means root 3 divided by 2, mv squared divided by r. So centripetal force now we have found. So totally this thing is equal to mv squared divided by r. So 2 cancel, 1 m cancel, then gm by a squared equals v squared by r. Now we have to get the relationship between simple A and capital R because in answers only simple A is there, capital R is not there. Therefore, we have to get the relationship. So making a triangle like this, right angle triangle like this. So this part is A by 2 because this total length is A. So half of it is A by 2. Then this length is R. So this angle is 30. So we can write R cos 30 equals A by 2. So R root 3 divided by 2 equals A by 2, like 2 cancel. So R equals A by root 3. So we have to substitute it to this equation because in answers there is no capital R. So how do we remove this capital R? Therefore, Gm by A squared equals V squared. Here root 3 is there, this root 3, root 3 by, instead of R, A root 3 here. So root 3 cancel, then Gm divided by A squared equals V squared divided by A. So 1 is cancel. So Gm divided by A equals V squared. But instead of V, we can write V is distance by T. For one circle, distance is 2 pi r divided by T is then periodic time. Then Gm by A equals 4 pi squared r squared by T squared. So again we have to remove this capital R. That means A squared by 3, simple A squared by 3 by T squared. So we have to now find T. T squared equals 4 pi squared, this A goes this way, then A cube divided by 3 Gm. Then T equals 2 pi, we can take out of the root A cube divided by 3 Gm. So that is the answer. A cube divided by 3 Gm, A cube divided by 3 Gm, 2 pi out of the root. So this one is the answer for this question. Answer is 2. So thank you very much for following my videos. If you haven't still subscribed, please do it right now. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.